Hello guys. Today we will be learning about Gojo. What is Gojo? Gojo is one of the most famous character and powerful character of JJK. I know if you are seeing this, so you probably know about Gojo because many of people think he's main character. So today we will be learning about his in Jujutsu Kaisen. Based on that series. Now let's see what will happen. Let me do one thing. We will be making combo and learning about new things of Gojo that we will use in our Jujutsu series. I am making this because I know many of you need tutorial. Firstly, I am not making combo, so I am disabling this feature, and you can use this feature in your private server of JJS. Firstly, we have to see what block movable blocks are. Like this, it is blockable. Your hand are not movable, but from back also it is movable. But from back, reversal red is not blockable. So is it from here? Yeah, it is from here. But I think it gives a little bit of damage. After that, uh, whenever you are using Gojo, you must do this. Not from front, because your front attack can be blocked like that. So what you have to do? This is my Oreo tech. From here back, and now you can use. And after that, you have to use rapid punches. So your combo can be done. And after that, you can use like that. And done. Your Gojo power. And one of the most special feature. Firstly, Lax Blue is one of the first base move of Gojo, by which almost 15% of health is gone. And its second is Reversal Red, which is aggressive, or you can say blastive. And in Labs Blue, one of the most special, you have to spam this star button. So whenever you use Labs Blue as your enemy is in here, so you will use this, so you can kick them and damage their health. Reversal red, normal, reversal red, and done. Like this, you can go on back, and it is reference to Soji and Gojo fight. Second of all, we how you can make combo from this. Firstly, you will use this and then do this. But you one more thing you can do. Wait a second. I will kill him firstly. Two. Bro, it's done first. Now let's see how we will make combo. You will use labs blue and red and special. You need to do 1 plus 2 plus R. 1 plus 2 and R. Like this. And then so it is how it is done. Or you can do 1 R plus 2. Let me show you guys. Like this, you can just kill your enemy easily. But now we come to our basic combos of base moves. So firstly, in base move, I will recommend you go from your back of your enemy. Like this, you need to dash, and after that do labs blue, and then don't use your red because they can be aggressive, and you must not use like me. And after that use reversal red when it is needed. And yes, one more thing, whenever you use your R, your awakened bar gets a little down, so take it in mind that your awakened bar will also get whenever you use R. Like this, we will just so it is all basic. Then full kick, first kick can be blockable from forward. Yeah. So that's why I use always R because I don't care about my ultimate. I need only kill. Now like this, we will just go from a combo like where you have to do this all from back. Always try to attack from back. Done. Let's make now combo somewhere else. Why not on top? Throughout heaven and earth, I alone am the honored one. I don't know, I feel like that, so I said it. Now here it will be critical, and this tells that how my combo is very close and near. Firstly, you will start with this simple thing, and then spam your first, and then use your R, so it will go down. Now, oh, see, here we go again. Right now, I have fall, and my combo is disturbed. I don't know how long will it take me to go up. What do you think? After 1000 tier, I think we will manage to go there until we will see. I don't know, it is getting boring. Did I see any dummy here, there? I don't feel so. So let me clear all my dummies and bring one dummy here. Okay, now we will see one more combo likely. One, two, three. Now it is down here, and I think we should also doing this because it is a little complicated to see in building, and you can easily trap people in here and use your combo. I started here because this is my freshly new combo which I need. It is a little trash, but I think it will be good for beginners. Done. So that's how it works. Now let's count it. Wait a second, we don't need a time. Tune. After that, we will see uh, our ultimate. So, see, whenever you see or target player, so firstly, see his back, then target. Boom, bang, bam. Then first, I use, then boom, bang, bang, bang. And here you go, your third move. You can use your this type of text, so his attention is not there. Then we can see how easily we are going to get him, and now he is dead. So I think this is lot of information, but now let's come to our awakening, Gojo. Firstly, there are two awakenings, so let me tell first. This is first awakening which was I love okay, now let's. This is Gojo's domain. Now let's. I don't wanna waste your time, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see what. The first move, Blabs. You can use it normally, but I suggest you to use it not like that, but more presentable way, which you can do like this. Wait a second. From this, you can see he is very low, and this is first reversal. What you have to do reversal red per start. And and this is our holo purple. Okay, one more thing I have to tell you variants. Like when you jump, so you can do like that, and in reversal red too you can do. But I think you should. So yeah, I am going a bit, and after that you can use your holo purple, and this is just depends on your ability, I think, because many of the time enemies come near you. Like let me tell you, I didn't introduce the look. Let's see. Okay, let me see. Now let's see if you are here. So you need a little girl, and your enemy can just hide. You need to know about enemy can open your enemy and use it. So that's why you need to know play after that, how to trap anyone in your infinite void. So see, firstly you need to do him ragdoll and use your infinite void. And I know you will need to make distance and see if he has dash or not. After that, just spam your and after that you can boom. So yeah, it is holo glitch, which is used. Then let us play and I told you holo purple is so clever that it can play, and I think we will learn it. And our next character is Russell, which we will learn in our next video in 3 days. Until bye bye.